What's up guys, Theresa here. Want to know the best time to post on TikTok? Let me show you, so stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome. I make a lot of how-to videos for social media, and if you enjoy these types of content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight to it. Open up TikTok, and once you've done that, you need to go to your home page and tap onto that three dots on the right hand corner. So once you've done that, you can see here under the account section, it will say analytics. You need to tap onto analytics. Let me know in the comment section if you have this. If you haven't, I can do a separate tutorial showing you how you can change your current TikTok account to a pro account. As you can see, there are three tabs. So you've got your overview, content, and followers. And tap onto the followers one and then scroll down. So on the 24th of April, my followers are predominantly on at 1 p.m. So I guess the strategy going forward is that I will post my content around that time. So let me know in the comment section what's the best time for you. All right, guys, I hope this has helped you. And I was just thinking as well, so as a community, why don't we just share our TikTok handles and we can follow each other? I'm going to put mine below, and feel free to put yours down there as well so I can check it out. That's all from me for now, and I'll see you on the next one.